All right, friends, so we're down in the barn right now. I just noticed that Miss Fiona, her teats have dropped, which tells me she is for sure pregnant. So I need to separate her from everybody so that when she does have her baby or babies, they will be safe and not get trampled by either the cow or my male ram. So first thing first is Hagrid here needs to go back outside. So my father-in-law opened that area over there for me so that I can go ahead and open that up. All that was right here was a whole bunch of hay that the chickens completely put everywhere. So we're gonna use that as bedding for Hagrid. So my nephew and I are currently taking these wheelbarrow full of hay outside to where Hagrid's gonna be sleeping. Let's go back out there.
You want to put this one out?
Yeah.
Where do you want it?
Probably on that side over there. All right, this is gonna be his bed. All right, so it is still gonna be really cold here for the next month or two, but not to the point where it was, and that's why we brought him in, because of the huge snowstorms we were getting. Doesn't look like we're gonna be getting any more of those, so he should be fine out here. If we need to bring him in, we will, but hopefully he'll be okay with all that. All right, so now that we have all that ready for Hagrid, I need to go ahead and walk the fence line, make sure all of our electric fence is up off the ground, so that way it doesn't ground out, because we don't need him running loose around the property. So let me go through, walk this fence line, and make sure all the fencing is good. All right, checking the fence line, and we've got 2 strands of electric wire. All right, fencing is all up and ready to go. Now it's time to take Hagrid and see if he will cooperate with us and go into his section so I can quickly put the electric wire up and then turn it on. Wish me luck. Well, it was a success. We got him in. We got the wire turned on, so hopefully he will stay put in there. He's already starting to see his new bedding area. And I completely slipped right in there. My butt is all wet and all dirty, but at least he's over there. It's not gonna last too long though, because I was looking, and those wires, we're gonna need to replace those pretty soon. But hopefully it holds for tonight until hubby can get home and we can figure something out tomorrow. Scratching his butt. Hagrid. Hey, sir. All right, everybody's separated. I've got Fiona in stall 1, and Sniffles and Henry are in stall 2 and 3. Pig Hagrid is outside now. Now it's a watch and wait for Miss Fiona. She doesn't look that big, so I'm pretty sure she's only gonna have 1. But this will be her first kidding, so that's perfectly fine for a first timer. We will see when she ends up going into labor and how many she has. You can see her udders are starting to come in, and she's looking pretty open up there, so she is definitely pregnant. Hi, Mama. Girl, Mama. How we doing, sir? You happy to be back outside? Huh? Yeah? You're such a handsome boy. Good morning, friends. It is the next morning and we're going to head down to the barn and check on Miss Fiona and see if we possibly have a little lamb today. We heard from my husband's coworkers who raise lambs and sheep all the time that it is most common for them to have their lambs early in the morning or late at night. For predator reasons. It gives them time, the lambs time to get their legs underneath them and get out of the way before predators can find them. So I was hopeful that last night was going to be it, and we are going to walk in to a baby lamb this morning. It's bright and early. It's about 7 o'clock maybe. So let's head in the barn and see what we find. Hey, Mama. All right, I don't see any signs of any lamb anywhere in here. Must not have been the night. Darn it, I was hopeful. Maybe tonight then. We'll have to keep a close eye on her. All right, friends, so nothing as of yet, but I will keep coming out today and checking on her because she does look like she might be in labor. So I'll go ahead and end this video right now, and then next video will hopefully be a lambing. And it will be a good story because I'm kind of traumatized with baby animals right now since I had to pull 2 babies out of our pig that we had last year. I hope that's not the case with Miss Fiona, but that's why I'm going to let her be and let her do this on her own. I don't want to stress her out. And then hopefully we will be having a lamb today. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all's well and have a blessed day.